Hello guys, welcome to PHP Basics section 1.2. Today we'll install the Wamp server on localhost to be able to run our PHP applications. Go to wampserver.com. After you go to wampserver.com, you will have to download the Wamp server depending on your version of Windows, 64 or 32-bit. So I have installed the 64-bit version, and I have, I think, the 3.19 version of Wamp server. If you don't have Windows, please go to amps.com, click on download, and go to the bottom. Depending on your operation system, you can download for Mac or Linux the packages needed to be able to run your applications on your local host. After you have installed a Wamp server and run it on your computer, you will see an icon on the bottom right side of your bar here. It's called Wamp server. If the Wamp server icon is green, that means all your services are running perfectly and there's no problem. If you encounter the orange one or the red color, that means there's a problem with your Wamp server application and you need to fix it. In the Wamp server, what you need to know, it's everything should be run in the local host of your Wamp server. That means all the projects that you have, to be able to run it, you need to have them in this folder. And to be able to see it, you go to your C drive. After that, you go to WAMP64 www, and your projects should be here. What I did, I created a folder called projects, and I put all my projects in here. You can put whatever you want. You can put projects test, and in this project test you can start creating your first project. Okay, after you have done that, you can go to localhost, projects test. You see your projects are here, and you see the first projects is here. Usually when you have an application, it should run automatically in here, and we'll talk about this later. My version of PHP, it's the 7.2.18. I have up to 7.3.5, and now PHP have released the 7.4 version. Just some small minor changes in PHP. For now we don't need it. And you have the extension. This is very important when you run online application. Sometimes you need to add some extension to your application, because it won't run if you don't have it. Okay, and php.ini, for now we don't need it. So basically this is your Wamp server when you run it, and you have the phpMyAdmin. It's to see your database, everything, to create tables, to create database, and to see all the results as well. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.